Alright guys, this is a, I don't know, Kawasaki Mojave or something like that. I'm not even sure what it is. Here's the plastic for it. You guys might know what it is. There it says what it is right there. And I just picked it up from the guy's house. But you would not believe the way this GPS sent me to get this four-wheeler. So I thought it'd be cool to show you guys some of the views that I've seen on the way down here to get this thing. I'm in defeated Tennessee. I'm gonna show you a few pictures, a little bit of film on the way home. Kind of pretty cool. I was aggravated at first, and I thought, man, it'd be cool to show you guys this countryside. So I'll show you that, and when we get back, I'll show you the four-wheeler and what we bought. If you guys don't want to watch this part, just fast forward. Hey, pig. So here's what we have. It's a 2004. It ended up being, I checked the VIN or whatever, and it's a 250 Mojave Kawasaki, and it's pretty rough. It's got one thing I did notice. I don't know if you guys, right there, it's cracked. The housing's cracked. I guess the chain must have flew off and broke that up. Anyways, the guy says he thinks the head gasket's bad. Oil getting in the coolant getting in the oil, whatever, something like that. And even though this thing is pretty junky, I still am tempted to fix it and ride it. I can't help myself. I'm having a problem making a junkyard because I just would love to fix all this junk and try to ride it one time. Here's the plastic. The seat's in good shape, really good shape. The plastic's been patched up. So it's a little rough. Plastic's rough. But it does have compression. I'll kick it over for you so you guys can hear it and see what it's like. Here's something else. See, the water pump's been took off of it and he put a rag in there to keep it clean. I don't know. Well, it seems to have compression, but I got a feeling the head's probably cracked. We'll probably tear it down, see what's wrong with it, and go from there. There it is, just pieced back together. It's got a flat tire in the front and the back, both. But, cool looking machine. Again, I don't know what we'll do with it. I just throw it back together so you guys could kind of see what it's going to look like if we do piece it back together. I don't know if we'll part it out or what I'm going to do with it. So I got a few parts, guys, that came in the mail, and we're in this together, this junkyard endeavor. So let me show you what came in. Okay, and what these are, I already know what they are. These are parts for that Kawasaki Bayou that we had been working on. And it's the axle boots, guys. I got all 4 axle boots for the front axles, and we need to put those on and get the front differential in and get this thing riding around. And I'll do that here in the next day or two. Also got this seat, and they packaged it in a black trash bag, so it looks all nice. But I know it's not that nice, guys. This also is for that Bayou. She's rough, boys. She's got a little tear there and a couple more tears here and there, but I didn't have a seat at all for that Bayou. I believe our Bayou's gonna end up being possibly a mistake. Although I paid $50 for it, guys, I'm up close to $300 in this thing right now, and I really don't know what it's gonna be worth, so we'll see what happens. There's always a learning curve when you start something like this that you're not familiar with. I'll just have to do the best I can with it. Hopefully we can make a little bit of money on it. Not as much as I had planned, but a little bit's better than nothing. So for those of you new to the channel, what I'm doing is I'm starting an ATV junkyard, guys, a salvage yard. And I wanted to include everybody in YouTube on this adventure. Something I've always wanted to do. I love it. There's junk around here everywhere. This is great. And we'll just see how it goes. My biggest issue right now is I'm wanting to fix everything I get, you know, because I want to ride it. So I'll have to work on past that. But check some of my other videos out, the older ones, and find your favorite one, share it on your Facebook, guys. Subscribe to my channel and keep up with what's going on here. Also, for you subscribers and loyal watchers of my YouTube channel, we need a name for you guys. I'm thinking the Scrappers, you know. That's cool. Hey, me and my Scrappers are going to work on this four-wheeler today. I don't know. If you guys got any ideas, put it in the comments. So guys, give me a day or two. I'll make you another video on how to do that front differential on that Kawasaki Bayou. We'll probably work on that Honda next. And see you next time.